Hello, follow along as I set up my new Carote pot and pan set. A couple of the pieces already come assembled, like this lid and this pot. This set also came with a couple silicone utensils. Let's dive into this box. Here you'll find all the handles, the knobs, and even this really cool screwdriver. Now I will look at this infographic to pair up which handles and knobs go to each pot and pan. Let's double check. And we're good to go. First, I'm going to start on the lids. I will unscrew the knobs and sandwich them around each lid and screw them in place. And that's it. Let's do the next one. Now let's start on the pots and pans. Each piece came with a screw, and you just want to unscrew it and set it aside, get your handle, and then screw the handle on. Ta-da! And you just repeat the process however many times your set comes with. Side note, I started using these last night, and I have to tell you, they really are nonstick. It's crazy. I made spaghetti in one of the big pots, and then this morning I made my son some scrambled eggs, and the stick was not happening. This lid will also match this pot over here. I think this set is just so beautiful. It looks great in my kitchen, and I love how durable they are.